3 simple steps to help you streamline your organic social media content. Number 1, create reusable templates in Canva. Canva is amazing, but sometimes it can take up too much time if you don't have preset templates to use. So you want to create a template for your carousels, if you put up like motivational quotes, tips, testimonials, a promo offer template, a reel cover before and after. So thinking of the types of posts that you're going to be talking about, those are the templates you want to create with your brand colors, your logo, having maybe 3 to 5 different fonts you're using on different ones, but they're all consistent. This is going to save you a ton of time. Number 2 is defining the 4 pillars of content you want to be talking about on your social media platforms. This can be education. So quick tips, how-tos, FAQs, proof. So your testimonials, your case studies, your before and afters, community behind the scenes. So this is going to be like team moments, office remakeovers, processes, your core values, local highlights. Then a 4th pillar could be like your offers. So this is your promotion. So your services, your promos, your lead magnets, your newsletter list. And you want to be able to rotate these topics throughout your content strategy. And this is going to help save time. Another one that could be in here is industry news. So if you follow other thought leaders in your industry and they're posting really good content, you can share their posts as a post for yourself, giving credit to it. But industry news is always a good one too, depending on the industry that you're in. Number 3 is batch and pre-record and schedule. So this is where you're taking maybe 2 hours a month and you're going to pre-record all of your videos that you need for the month and then create your images. So everything is done and then you're able to schedule them out. Now, if something comes up and you want to create an extra post, great. But you have that peace of mind that things are scheduled and going out. And this is how I work with my clients, is making sure we have those videos, we have that content, we know what we're talking about, we've created that content calendar. So we're working with them on creating that content, batching that content. And so they know it's done. They know what videos we're going to be working on next month, so they're prepared. They can then look at, okay, what conversations did I have this month that I can tie into that FAQ part and create content around. So get thinking of batching content. One quick tip, a question I get asked all the time is, how often should I be posting on social media? And the baseline is at least 3 times per week on your core platform. So if you are spending a lot of time on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, then it should be 3 posts per week. And you want to mix that up. So could be a reel one day, a carousel, and then a static image. You can do maybe 2 videos in a week and a static image. So look at what is working on social media. So, pick a schedule for a month and then go back and analyze it. What was working? Where should you make the adjustment? Were your reels getting more engagement? Okay, then maybe we need to amp up and do more reels than a static post. Did your carousel images or your carousel posts get more engagement? And if they did, then carousels may be where you want to spend more time. So really analyzing what platforms you're spending time on and what posts are working for you, but also do some research on your competitors to see what posts are working for them. This can help kind of give you that baseline of where you should start and what type of content you should put out there. But consistency beats perfection anytime. So I highly recommend at least 3 posts per week. If you need help creating content, need help with this strategy, let me know. I would love to help you out. Have a great day.